Kani kadai kedudashan Meghalaya berpidang sobhai pi baro syakatuk kubor mentaka janmiat syoban paish kubor kibabnya ini pechwai kimat ibakongsan. Penpau Menteri Rangba kejela Konrad Sangma ya kejing sngau khia halo ke FCRA bill ha kejing net ya kendu yu Menteri kesoka pedeng ukiran Rejiju ha Delhi. Pelong udisi ke West Garo Hills ya kejing ekran berkihe sorkar hatura kejing elang banyekran halo ka jing wan pai biang kinong bela bat kejing penkelai ke rukom penrung kerteng. Penlong ke Green Tech Foundation ya ka jingshong kelany mongor ke berjarjar bandawa pensangit no ya ke projek Shna Resort ha Lum Pongdeng. Bad pau ke skul ke berit jong ke sedong ha East Giant Hills na ke jingpas bha yarap i principal belayok khusna migi kena skul ban penkela ya ke jing pots new jongki sha ke jingjong. Mentanginya pai syiki kubor na keleng kejela. Menteri Rangba kejela Konrad ki Sangma ulai kendu yu Menteri kesoka pedeng berkemi ya ketenat Minority Affairs ukiran Rejiju Hadeli hene kesengi ban penpau ya kejing sngokya halo ke FCRA Amendment Bill kamtam halo ki kendon ki ba aibor ban kurup ya kejing don jing em bat kejing pentemai ya kejing penrung kerteng. Lasanan lang ya Menteri Rangba kejela da usembut Menteri Rangba ubak Preston Tingsong bat kekenhun kinong elam niam Kristan. Usangma ula ong ba ula pensengau ya kejing sengau kia jong ki kenhun niam Kristan ba ula kentu ba on penyar ya kejing ekran bat ki weide kinong edan benta. Ula yatu ba unia Menteri ula ai ke jubab ke babha bat ukermen ba on la ban wanra jingeda ya ki skul niam haswa ban pas ya kene ke bil.
Purpose of our meeting was regarding the FCRA amendment bill. We expressed our concerns as Christian organizations regarding the amendment bill, especially Section 16, where new clauses are being introduced, where seizure of the property can be done based on a designated authority. Of course, there are much more legal aspects to it, but there are 3-4 more other provisions which were concerned. And we raised the issue and we requested the Honourable Minister if a much more larger discussion can be made with other stakeholders so that these concerns that are there can be addressed. So we are very happy. The Honourable Minister has given a very positive response and that he will definitely take up the matter at the top level and he will get back to us. And we are very hopeful that this particular bill, before it is passed, there will be detailed discussion and necessary amendments will be made to ensure that the property and the rights of different institutes, especially the Christian institutes, are protected.
Ya kejingilang kabula pelong hatura Circuit House mentagesngi la penyait do Deputy Commissioner jangka West Garo Hills u Bivor Agarwal batlawan benishim benta do SP u Abraham T Sangma banyekran halo kimat ki bekongsan ha West Garo Hills. Kajing ekran kalong halo ka jingduna ki jing bela ka jing wan pai biang kinong bela bat kerukom penrung kerteng jong kinong bela ka bakhamsuk. Ki he sorkar ki temu banwan ra igi kendon an ki banyahap bat ki an ki beladan lupa kenang ban kentiu ya ka jing tip ka jing shngan bat ka jing trailang. U Deputy Commissioner ula pediang ru ya ka benta bala shim dagi kenhun nongelam niam ban penbet ya ka nikamat bat ban pentikna ya ka jing trailang ka bas kem hap deng jong ki nongidon benta.
So basically today we had a meeting with all the stakeholders, the development committees were there, various NGO leaders were there and church leaders were also there. So there were various issues discussed. We wanted to take a feedback of the current situation also from the people, what are their suggestions to help us resolve it further, as well as not just have short-term solutions. At the end of the meeting, some long-term solutions were also discussed as to how we can make the region more self-sufficient. And one of the major points that were discussed was regarding the labor issue that is happening, because a lot of laborers that used to work here have gone back, and are not. It's a lot of demand is also there among the people to bring them back. So a lot of SOPs were discussed as to how we can make sure that there is legality from both fronts, from the laborers also coming back, that they should also come back in a proper legal fashion, following all the rules and regulations, so that there is no threat of any illegal immigration that is there. And also at the same time, once if we are able to bring them, if they are coming legally, then how to ensure the safety and security of the region as well. So in both fronts, various things were discussed.
Kidekot jong ke Green Tech Foundation Meghalaya, India, kila pelong ia ke jeng yong ke lain mungor ke berjar-jar hadau lenong jong ke lompong deng hene ke sengi. Banyaki persya ahlo ke projek benshna ye ke resort ke behe. Kene ke kenhuon kala kam ba kene ke do lenong ke dei shibenta jong ke jaka ke bala IY ke Indian Hotel Company Limited bat kala penpau ye ke jeng sngokhia ahlo ke jeng penjulor ya ke Mariang. Daga penpau ya ke jubab na ke RTI ke belayok na ke Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board kila keno ba kene ke jing temu ke kentup ya ke jing shna ya ke yengsa ke cafe bat ke restaurant ke baya per na ke jing kam bat omdon ke jing shna ke behe kene ke kenhun kila dawaru ban pensange no ya kene ke project bat kila smai ban beteng ya ke jing ki haduk ba ke sokar kan le ya ke bedai.
Ni kan kita kam top kam syukur. Ibaki ong yang ni ya ulum pengdang kim semlai. Ong yang ni bahkan numdon kata kajing pengkelam ding kajing tik kendau batum tertar haun ulum pengdang. Yui mentah ini giding baang ni katno teli ladap man pengkelam. Tang kawai ka message demand kabangi pa sa state government. Ling baka tourism department. Nginom ki na kanika jaka pat nginom kinria. Jia kat bajia long kat balong ngiyang halor jong kikot islah ngiyang halor jong kenurem keren sama kumno ong sa kumno kajing dawa kajongi kasyong hok kasyong nongrem namar ngiladap banti jeliu bha ya kane kamat hangne apo jong pong umyam
MLA ke Kliariat ubak kermen shelau la kentui ke soka jela ban shim mikir kompenia ki beskem na ke benta ke kamai kaji na ke jingti doyong ban penyabyang ha ke jingele banyadai ke maryang kumju ban penbyang ye kilat kamai jakpo ye kinong shongshnong aba kubur halo ke jing sngokhia jong ke jaintia coal miners and dealers association ula banjur halo ke jing donkam ye kiru kompen treikam ki besai ki badon bat ki kendon an ki bebyang na ke benta ke jingti doyong kat kum ke an ula ong ba ke jingti doyong be an ke yai beteng na ke daw ke jing bom don de ki weipat kilat kamai jakpo bat ke jing bom don ye kilat banyarap ya kinong shongshnong banjit ye kiru kom ki besngan kat kum ke jing betha.
The people, they rely on coal. No matter what you say, we have been there working, earning a livelihood through coal. So after the NGT ban, it's very difficult and people survive. Somehow they manage to survive till date. But for how long? People might say that the recent situation, what you have just mentioned, that illegal coal mining is going on, and we have seen that through this sun, what is going on, what had happened. People are bound to do it, they are forced to do it because they have no alternatives. If we would have had a different way of mining, or maybe we have the SOP to follow, maybe people might not have gone to that extent. But since they have no other alternative, so that forced them for the livelihood. But still, I will not encourage any illegalities, either in my constituency or in my district, and even the state as a whole. But I would like to request the people, we believe also that the government will give us the SOP and we can follow it, so that we will not need, the people will not need to do these illegalities, because they are, the people really wants to join hand with the government and do it the right way.
Penyotrap Youth Council West KHASI Hills kelabuk jing ujor ke KHASI Hills Autonomous District Council halo ke jing sensyar kinong kai bar jela ya ke yau hasyalang. Hadian ke jing pelong ia ke jing let jurep ha ke sauterik mentau benai kinong elam jong ke HYC kila keno bakumba kendai pupra na ke shispa jong ki kam kai peteng ha ke yau ki badai ki bala penyat da ki bar jela ki babon na ki kimdon ya ke trading license ke bebiang. Kenega kenhun kalau ong baka jinglong jingman kalong ka ba ishir kai bat kala kentu ya ke council ban let penshisha bat ban le AA persha ya ki tu ki bupen ken ya ka an kumju ru ban pen sange ban ai ya ki license thamai shaki barjala hadu ban pen traikam bha ya ki kendon an
ban nakle jungi hakni kasngi hadin wangi lalap kumba shispa praphotam teli ki dukan ki badon hangthi ki bomdon trading license wat ka wairu Nagel yang kejongki kumbangi lakren hilat patai kubor bakidon gibala renew khadu arjar fra arjar khandai hadu arjar khat away khat ar kum ta terter te nagel yang kejongi ngi hagani gasngi bomta ngi sekmen sibun bangi layo ban yakindu bad ya ye batoni bade CM jong ka KHDC bad hadin ko bangi le tai bad ban ngini ya kajingker par kejongi tang kawai ban nagel yang KHDC kam dei su ban renew ya ki trading license jong kita gibar cela ki bala don hayo syalang ki bom sotnyo ya ka KHDC ya ni kisnam ki baladap
I Janita Potor ibana Sauling do Higher Secondary School Mukayau ila yo kekerdan kebesan ke examen SSLC ahajar apun riu da ka jing yo sanspa nyop huai marks hakaba ila wanra burom ke school jong I badru ke snong Mukayau ila penpawe ke jing sngongo yo blay na ke benta ke jing job jong I ya ke jing yarap kinong hikai bat ki bahieng hasam bat ya kerukom bu por jong I ban krekot I janita ide ikun khatdu na ki sangut shipara jong ikong bari pator bat iba de bormisten laru ban kedau ba u henmen shenrang jong u iwante bok pator ulayo bat ya kekerdan ba ar house nam ajar apuwe
am tawat dasnya yo blai ki wa hayong hasam kam tam le kinong hikai wada yarap kianga da insin kianga wada mjok ekinga wala ikikat am ga arteno ki da yarap ki wanga da pensiong thok kianga wat hadu wato wa nagani ka wa yarap kianga da ye bha o lai jingmot u snyao thok bhai ke kot o de ye lai o thok bhai exam yonga
hal dahi kemen le kemen langoka hal dahi karman le mudu em ka dari yang ni tu em langoka kamu dah kerjani ka ki por dem te yi ti juk juk kada em mudu yo u konsentrang kien udah bio kamu kena bentu te em kecak ketika kejeng yolti wa mong hai iju pulai yang ka hapo kisnya meleman go warap korap kedkhia em kata kejeng responsible ni benta yang ka pura yang ka em kejeng yolti belum malah dan rei ong na hadu ko ni ka kedan gosan em yolti kat upsia ketika top 20 boy upsia and rei kejeng ku yang belai kam nei here hap ko yung sam yongi te yo ketika gosan tere liang yung ikam yung sam yang ngui le iki nong ikai ki staff yung sondo ayas kondis ko mo yaw wada do yapi hagu upen psia ti UMaki segani khonyong I wo poi ko segani benta
Hapadeng jong ke snong wapung skor ke badon ha East Janti Hills District kawai ke skol ke berit ke pelut po ban sandur ya ke lawai jong ke pateng ki banwan ha ke jing jarjar ke KB Memorial Secondary School ke ba pej dai principal ibla yo ke khusnam I Dr. Hepor Unibang kala pelut por palat shipos nam ban penkala ia ke jinglong jong ki kena ki baduk ki bakerdu syaki kena ki baskem jingmut da ke jingla ban yo ia ke result ka babha man la usnam wat hapdeng ke jing duna ke jing yo tungin yakmi ya ke ne ke khubor
Wat hapdeng ke jinglong nong kendong kadak jong ke jingkermen kala tingshan na ke benta ki kena ke snong wapung skor KKB Memorial Secondary School kalong ka ba compare na ki way pat ki school kalong ka jaka ba mi ki jing pilat na ka jing kut jingmut bat baro ki kena ki yo ya kalat ban kiu shaprang I principal jangka school I Dr. Heipor Unibang, I balayo pediang mencem senam ya ka khusnam National Teachers Award na ka Presiden Kari, berkumju ya ka jing itu na ka jela, I lapenya ya ka school lingba ki jing bat ki jing job, la palat da ki post nam. Nado senam aja katsan ka school ka lapha ki kena jangka, banyak kun nak examen SSLC jangka embus, bat palat katwe senam, kalala ban penne ya ka jingla pas ba ki kena, da ka bayo shispa na ka shispa ka jing pas ki kena manau senam, lat no tang shisien. Mentau senam baro lai penyongut ki kena ki balaya kun yak examen SSLC ki la pas ba. Wat lada mentau senam om shim ladan ki kena ki badon ka jing duna ha ka department Henry ka school ka ju ai ka jing kersha ni ki ha ki senam ki baladam bat ka thmuru pan kan thop yang ki house nam pule uban wan.
The main vision and aims to set up this school is to help the underprivileged students from our village and nearby. So right from 2015 till date, we have sent the student to appearing the SLC examinations around 12 years. And I would like to thank Almighty God and as well as the staff of our schools who takes a lot of patience for helping and shape our students. That's why our students have been securing mostly 100% in 11 consecutive years. This year also, I would like to congratulate all my dear students that they have been performed well, as they have been securing 33 in first division out of 37 and 4 in second division, and also letters in different subjects like math, science and health education. This year, actually, we didn't have disability, but in almost on all the years, we have disabled students who appear from our school. Like in 2022, we sent 3 students, and all of these 3 also got through, and now they are pursuing in different higher studies.
The first day when I joined this school, it was like I was not expecting lots of things in this school, but the teachers and I did not lose hope, and they make me a good student. And I was before I was a very lazy student, but now I am a good student. I would like to thank all the teachers in this school, KB Memorial Secondary School. Like, they have changed my life, and in everything, in sports and even in studies also, they have changed me everything just like that. I thank you.
Wat hadin kijing job jangka ka school kadang beteng manmat di kijing na kijing bampiang ki kamera kelas. Katunom ka basop dakatin lakhat lais na menta kalarim bat kalabam sarang. Henry da kijing rap jangka snong I Dr. Bang iya ceprang banshim admission na kabenta ki class 11 bat class 12 kaba ansas dang menta usnam da kijing yo jingbet na ka office jangka district school education bat na ka dorbar snong.
I have been found great challenges. Especially, you have seen the structure of our building, also only a roof sheet, which is now mostly 13 years. And now also the roof sheet have started corrode, because you see the situation of the building also now is not in a good condition. But even in that challenges I have been faced also due to the pressure from the parents of our students and also the friends from our village and the nearby villages. So I have taken this opportunity to upgrade our school into the higher secondary section, so that, as I've told you, the underprivileged background student, they can easier to come and learn in our school to pursue their higher studies.
KBB Memorial Secondary School kamde tang ka ying school sop tunom tin hende ka day ka syarak jong ka jingkerman ka jingyai ne bat ka jing penkala ringkat ka jing tersan jong ka snong bat ka jingyo jing itu na ka sorkar kam ai tang ki jingkular bat ka jingkiu ha ka puli puthi henre ka ai ru ya ka lawai na ka banta man ki khana klem da pet chiliang ya ka jinglong ne jingla ka jongki banyo ya ka lat ban kiu shaphrang. Bureau Report, DD News, Meghalaya.
Ka Office Jong Chief Inspector of Boilers and Factories kala pelong ke Occupational Safety and Health Awareness Training Program ha ka Regional Labour Institute ke Badon Harenja Shillong hene ke sengi. Menteri Ketenat Labor uba Methodius Dekar ulapan pau ya ke kamram berkongsan jong kisnat trikam jong kiriu shimet hakaban kentiu ya ke yok kekot bat ula banjur ru ya ke jing donkam jong ke sokar bani trailang bat kikar kana. Ula ong baka jela kala nangla ban pensting ya ke ru kompenya ya kam kayi peteng haka juk kepor ban pentikna ru ya ke jing shingan jong kinong bela bat ke jing im jongki.
But among all, the most important is the private sector. The entrepreneur like you, the people like you who will come and establish some setup in the nation, will come and set up something in the state, will come and set up something in the society. And with the setup that you are making, with the establishment that you are making, you are contributing to the state's revenue, you are contributing to the state's growth, and more importantly, you are generating employment to thousands and lakhs of people, and people of the states and people of the nation.
Lapli ya kamra banle X-ray Hasutanga Community Health Center da u Deputy Commissioner u Manish Kumar ha East Giant Hills ban kentiu ya kerukom ai jing sumar agan ke sengi lawan bani shim bentalang da ki he officer bat ki nongkit kam shnong akabala play perdaru ya umat sa akan mau lakmi lenti bakane ke jaka ai jing sumar kan la ban penyiar ya ke jing don ya ki kor ki bor bat kan yarap ru ya ki nongpang ban light na ke jing let sumar shabar jong ke district ki he officer ke la pentip bakane ke jaka kan pen bahas syu ya ke rukom ai jing sumar ke bapakatam ha ke than.
This X-ray facility is not, it's just a beginning, because healthcare is something that is always evolving in the nature. Because if you look at yourself 20 years back, you can see very little facility was here. Everywhere we can see little facility. But with the advancement of the technology, with the evolution of the government also, we can see more fund is coming to all the health centers. More the fund is coming, more facility we are availing. Now we can see all the health centers are equipped with the means you can see the diagnostic facility that you are getting nowadays. Number of diagnostic facility you are getting at the CHC and the district hospital level, also at the PHC level. So it's the commitment of the state government, also continuous support from the central government also, that we are trying to improve our healthcare services in all the healthcare facilities in the district.
Ya ke awareness program lembat ke health cam la pelong ha ke shnong musakia kum shi benta ban rakhi ke jubilee ksiar jong ke amlarem sub division ya ke ne ke jing sedang le alam de tenat health and veterinary ban pen bahas syu ik kom ai jing sumar ha ki than jong kendong la pli ke program de sub divisional officer jong ke amlarem ke vevotulu kezo ka bala banjur halo ke jing don kam ban yada bat ban light na ke pang ke stom ban lap kham kloy ya ke jing pang kham tam ka jing kieu jong ka jing pang bam yebet kum ka jing pang bampong bat kiwei.
So this particular program awareness camp is necessary because as you will be seeing later on, and as per the program, a number of activities have been planned. Awareness camps as well as health checkups, and for instance, if we look at the data today in the health team, we have the checkups for ANCs, then we have the NCD screening, cancer screening. All of these are necessary. If we look at the data, then non-communicable diseases, diabetes, hypertension, high BP, all of these are rising, and in India, in our country as well, more than 60% of the deaths are occurring because of non-communicable diseases.
Kinong shnong jong ko kerpong East Giant Hills dang shen keleki persha ahlo ke jing tmu bantau ye ke karkhana Star Cement hagate ke shnong palat san spa ngut kinong thep vote bat shispa khandai phnyo tli kilong yeng ki kam ba u rangba shnong uba mithol lamurong ula ai sop ye kanu objection certificate wat la kinong shnong kele persha kinong shnong kila banjur ba kidang shanya atali ha kamrap bat kele air ke bakhoj da ka ba maham ba kani ke karkhana kala ban kta ya ka maryang bat ka jing embryo kidon kat tu kat ningut ki ba kershan ya kani ke project Kinong syong shnong kila lej banyak kendu ya ki he officer kumju ru ya UMDC uba Krishon Langstang bat ya UCM ke GHEDC uba Tombor Shiwat bandawa wengno ya urang ba shnong kenang banyada ya ke hok jong shnong ketau.
I udah yang kami.
Aduh kan ni kan tak mentah mangi yo menlok mentelong kemne. Kubele ya ke social media wa terplut por ke por.
Mentanginya pai shi kubon nak tan shatay lamingi. Ka Nagon district ka la long ka bala kre na ka benta ka election shi ka yung doba tau an ka Assam ha ka bala dep banbu hadu prahajar aspa arpwe ngut ki polling officer ha ki shihajar praspa andrup pratali ki jaka tap vote. Komba andrupo na ki shispa na ki jaka tap vote kindai na ka benta ki temen bat ki briau badon jingduna ha ki dekot met. Kumju ki school relation benta agaban pen internet ya ki jaka tap vote hapo ka pang pedeng your vote is your right. Lembat ka jing penbena ban ai khusnam da ka song pisa ka balong khatsan hajar tingka shipo hajar tingka bat san hajar tingka shakitu ki bajob. Haga juk ka por ki he officer ki khmi lenti ba ka ne ka election kan long ka bayat bet bat ka bajob. Ke Assam Rifles ringkat bat ke para Special Force kila pelong ya ke jing Kendra ya ke United Kuki National Army haki benta jongka hengleb bat Molfei Tampak ha Churak Chanpur District. Kini giken hun sipai ke bela senran lang digi pulit jongka Manipur kila pelong ke jing twet na sun bat na ringkau ban lap ya ke jakari tengen jongki. Kene ke jing Kendra ke long kum shibenta ban te lakam ya ke kam pentriem ha kathan bat baki tenat sipai ken long ke bela pej perman. Mentanginya pai shi kubor na keleng kari. Menteri Rang Badu Kari Narendra Modi ulaong baka Pradhan Menteri Mudra Yojana kaladap khatwaisnem menta bat kene ke skim kalaya ai jingirap shibun na kebenta ki samla ki basengkam lejong hakeleng kari nado balaseng yaka hausnam ahajar khatsan kene ke skim kala ai jing mentoi ru shaki karkhana red bat shaki riu shimet hadu menta palat san pupra klur naka jing ai ram ki basyong dor sa pholak klur tingka ladep ban mang kamtam na kebenta ki kenthai bat kinong sengkam ki badang sedang ningkong. Menteri Ketnat Yadari Rajnath Singh ula penyat ya ke jingelang jongki menteri menta ke sengi kum shibenta ban khmi bnya ahlo ke jinglong jingman ha West Asia hadian ke jinge sange asiat apdeng ke US bat Iran kabalawan ra jing kermen ba Strait of Hormuz kala ban plebyang kene ke jingelang kala long hadian ka jingbetha na Ketnat Kambari ka ba kentu ya kinong India ki basa ha Iran ban mi na katei kari bat bakin om ya na ki jaga kaput klem da yo jingbet shwa na ki bo ba dekmi. Mentanginya pai shi kubor na keleng ke pertai. Menteri Ketnat Kambari Dr. S.J. Shankar ulai kendu bat Menteri Kambari ke Bangladesh Khalilur Rahman bat ula pediang sengobha ya ke kenhun jong ke Bangladesh New Delhi mentaga sengi. Aga jingtho akaransan social media Dr. J. Shankar ula ong bahagane ke jinge kendu kilekran halo ke jinge trailang ban penklan ya ke jinge dai jong ki ari hakiliang beper-per. Ula benrap ru bakinya sam ya ke jing sengob jong ki halo ke roi kepar hakatan bat aga pertai hi baro ke wei. Mentanginya pai shi kubor ya lekai. Menteri Ketenat Sports ubak wailat Miki Shelah hinen gesngi ulalek jurep ya kejing maramot hakyang nang ba Stadium Jawai West Garo Hills. Hakabau la banjur halo kejing Donkam ban kentiu ya kejing Donkam na kebenta ban pelong ya kejing ilek kai ba ban ajing hikai ya kinong ilek sports hadian habut. Ula penbena ba kejing penbaha berkentup ya kejing siang ya uplang plastik kejaka syong ban petkai ba kejaka marek kinong ilek kai. On kershan lembaga sinjam jongka CSR Mang tagi he officer baki nong don benta kila batai benya hau menteri halor kajingya syak-syak jong kekam.
This is a very important ground, so we really want to renovate it because it is very old. So last time, me along with the Deputy Chief Minister, Masnya Bhalangdhar, along with the Deputy Commissioner, we came and inspected, and we tried during that time. So we tried to find some fund, some schemes, so to renovate it. So we want that to have a gallery all around the ground. So due to because the effort of Deputy Chief Minister, so we got some fund from CSR for the construction of those sitting galleries. Days back, then the president of the West Garo Hills District Sport Association, along with all the members, want to meet me along with the contractors. There was some concern, there were some issues. So that's why I came today to discuss with them, because whatever always the government want to take along with their stakeholder. So that's why I'm here today. So we discussed, and there were some issues, and we have resorted the issues along with the officials from the department.
Ke first wailat Mickey Veterans Knockout Football Tournament la sedang da ke program play perda hamadan football jong ke Jerusalem chut wakhu. Uba ulamin ubalong MDC but District President ke NPP ulalong ukongsan hakaba Menteri Ketenat Sports uba wailat Miki Shelah ulai donlang haduk kap prateli kenhun na Jawai constituency kelawan banyakun ha ke lempung bala penyat da ke National People's Party ya ke jengilek kai la pelong hamadan Jerusalem hakaba ke mukla kala penremno ya ka niriang dasan lakawai. Teman tapat ingin nyepet ya kejeng long jengman ke sumbeneng hakeleng ki benta jong ke jela. Hatura kejeng kriat kelong kat pra degree Celsius bat kejeng syet kelong 8 degree Celsius kejeng sengem ke hau kelong 2 pra na kesispa kejeng hap slap kelong 1.1 millimeters. Haba pai pat anong ba shlong kejeng kriat kelong kat sau degree Celsius bat kejeng syet kelong kat pra degree Celsius kejeng sengem ke hau kelong prapuan na kesispa kejeng hap slap kelong lai point kendai millimeters. Kat bahar Jawai kejeng kriat kelong kat sau degree Celsius bat kejeng syet kelong kat pra degree Celsius kejeng sengem ke hau kelong nyopuai na kesispa kejeng hap slap kelong ar point kendai millimeters. Kasun beneng kendum loo hatura shlong bat Jawai kala aro bandon kejeng hap slap kaba melumala hagi babon ki jaka. Shuaban poi shikabakut jong ketup kubor ngin nyepet biang sa sisien yak ni kimat bekongsan. Penpau Menteri Rangba kejela ukon rat sangmai kejeng sngokya halo ke FCRA bill ha kejeng let ya kendu yo Menteri Kesoka Pedeng ukiran Rejuju Delhi. Penlong UDC ke West Garo Hills ya kejing ekren bat ki he sorkar hatura kejing elang ban ekren halo kejing wan pai biang kinong bela ba kejing penkelai ke rukom penrung kerteng. Penlong ke Green Tech Foundation ya kejing syong ke lain mengor ke berjarjar bandawa pensangekno ya ke projek Shna Resort Halum Pongdeng. Bat pau ke skul ke berit jong ke Shnong ha East Garo Hills na ke jing pas bha yarap i principal balayok khusnam ya ki kena skul ban penkelai ke jing pots new jong ki sha ke jing jok. Te parlok kat tungi lapoi sebekut jong ke tup kubor jong imen tak janmiet ngin se syam pilasai ke singi ha ke jok ke por ke blei shibuni ke por jong pi baro bat tiasuk.